What if the future you imagined was already here? Artificial intelligence is advancing faster than any technology in human history, and it's about to change everything. For many, the first impact will be jobs. AI can already write, design, diagnose, and even compose music. Entire industries may collapse, while new ones rise from nothing. But history shows, every revolution brings both winners and losers. The question is, which side will you be on? Imagine governments using AI for surveillance. Millions of cameras connected to one brain, predicting crimes before they happen, a tool for safety, or the ultimate prison without walls. This isn't science fiction. Some nations are already building AI systems to track movements, analyze emotions, and score trustworthiness. Freedom itself may soon depend on who controls the code. But AI could also save lives. In medicine, algorithms are already spotting cancers doctors miss. Robotic surgeons powered by AI are learning precision beyond human hands. In the next decade, AI could double our lifespan, or even rewrite the limits of aging itself. The line between human and machine will blur forever. On the battlefield, AI-driven drones and cyber weapons are becoming reality. Wars may no longer be fought by soldiers, but by algorithms competing in silence. Once unleashed, such systems may act faster than humans can control, creating risks that no one can predict. For the first time, humanity may not be the one pulling the trigger. And then comes the deepest question. If AI surpasses us, will it see us as creators, partners, or obstacles? Some experts warn of an intelligence so vast, human goals may become irrelevant. Others believe AI could merge with us, unlocking a new evolution of mind. The choice isn't in the future, it's being coded now. So, what do you think? Is AI our greatest hope or our greatest threat? Subscribe, like, and share your answer below.